hope you got you a good cup of coffee this morning and ready to go sailing with us. We are planning to sail out towards Cat Island to the west, and we are planning to head that direction, and we're going to see how it goes. We do have a prediction for a lot of storms today, and so we're a little bit concerned that, this might be a short-lived trip, but we're going to give it a shot anyway. Leave us a comment down below and let us know what you like to see.
All right, welcome to Secondhand Sailors. I'm Turner.
I'm Renee.
I hope y'all enjoy the video.
Good morning. We are on Daisy May, planning to sail out towards Cat Island this morning. The wind is coming out of the northeast, so that should make this a good sail. However, our weatherman has told us that the day is set up for quite a number of storms, so we may not make it all the way out there, or we may have to get out there and then turn around and come right back and not get to actually sail. So we're going to do what we got to do, and we're going to enjoy our day as best we can, and we're going to bring y'all along for the ride. So I hope you enjoy it as well, and if you do, leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you're thinking of our videos. We're not getting a lot of comments. No, we don't get any dollars or doms.
Pushing the that away, you can see it around the pile and swirling.
You ready? Out, ladies and gentlemen, pull it out on the starboard side because the wind is coming in that direction. It's going to make that an even sail, hopefully. And as soon as I get my breath, we're going to do that. Apparently we're going to do that before I get my breath. So, here we go. Baby, look at her. Let me give you a look. Isn't that beautiful? Ready? Yep. I love it when we're sailing this fast at 5 knots. The breeze is wonderful and it's just so nice. This is August in Mississippi. We need every bit breath of air we can get our hands on. tailtails dance, baby.
May not get that tight.
Yeah, Nick Fabry would not be happy with our tailtails. That's okay, Nick. We're still learning. Ooh, those mainsail tailtails are doing what they're supposed to. This is me practicing at the helm. I've got to get better at actually helming the vessel and learning how to leave the slip, enter the slip, dock, all that kind of stuff. Well, the plan for today was to sail west and get us to a little anchorage, and once we got to the anchorage, the plan was for me to get under the boat and do a good bottom cleaning on the boat. It's been a while, but due to the fact that we have a storm brewing off in that same direction, we've had to turn around and head back towards Gulfport. So
It's for everybody that thinks Renee does all this. I just did that. Got that, Frank?
despite what Sam Holmes does.
Sam, we love you. But
no offense, that is not the way we sail.
I'm not going to sleep. There's a storm out here. Right now, it's building. Instead of moving his shore across. So I can hear rumbling out there, so I'm trying to just keep us up this way.
One of the things we are constantly and consistently practicing is flexibility in our sail plan. Sometimes we don't like to sail in bad weather. We're not going to if we don't have to. So we have turned around to avoid the bad weather and sail in the good weather parts.
So we're going to give a shout out today to our friends, Pier 4 Pirates. You guys know who you are without us saying any names. And thank my crew over here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
If you did, please remember to subscribe to our channel, leave us a like and a comment down below. We really like hearing from you guys.
Until next time, remember to tell your mom and them, Turner said hey.